Here's how to enable options on Robinhood. Now it's in a different spot on the desktop versus the app. On the app, if you were to go to your account and then click on investing, in the menu, it's going to take you to a page that has a bunch of enabled or disabled features. One of those is going to be options. So you can click on that to go through and enable options. On desktop, it's in account settings. Inside of settings, there's an investing settings tab. And you can see here at the bottom, you can actually get options trading. So there will be a button right there to enable options on a browser. So we can click on that and it's going to take you through completing your investment profile to make sure you're eligible. So after we click continue, we go through like a little bit of a quiz here. And then eventually at the end, as long as you're eligible, you've signed the agreement and basically you enable options trading. That will open up options trading on Robinhood. And that's how you can enable options on Robinhood.